I'm Tanisha and you're watching this video with Tutors.com. Today we are going to learn about decimal numbers. Before we move on, let us revise the place value chart once. So we always start from the right hand side and the first column is ones, then tens, then hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and millions. Let's move ahead. In this video we are going to learn about Introduction to Decimal Numbers. For that, we have some warm-up questions. If you want to try the questions by yourself, you can pause the video and match your answers later. Question number 1. Split the following numbers. And the number is 345. So if we try to partition it, the answer would be 300 plus 40 plus 5. Likewise, if we try to do that for the second number, which is actually a decimal number, 1278.1, the answer would be 1000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8 plus 1 over 10. Question number 2. Circle the smallest fraction. And for that, of course, we need to make the denominators alike, and then we can figure out that 1 over 2 is actually the smallest fraction of all. Let's move to the topic. Decimal numbers. And now we learn about ordering the decimal numbers. So ordering is somehow related to the comparisons of decimal numbers, and for that we need to make a place value chart, and then we need to put the digits, the numbers, carefully according to the place value into the chart. Of course, we can always fill the empty spaces with a 0 because 0 is a placeholder, and then we can compare them column after column. Let's try one question on it. So we've got 3 numbers there, 3 decimal numbers there, and we need to arrange them in ascending order. So what we have done, we have made a place value chart, and we have tried to keep all the numbers there according to their place value. So 1 decimal 506, then 1 decimal 560, that's a placeholder, then 0.800. These two are again the placeholders. Let's move to the next slide. Now we are here to compare the numbers. We'll start from the ones column because we've got 1, 1 and 0. So of course 0 is the smallest, and hence this is going to be the first number in ascending order. So we've kept it there. Now if you notice, in the ones column we've got both the digits as 1. So we'll move to the tens column. We again have got all the digits as 5, so we'll move to the hundreds column, and we've got a 0 there, and hence this is the next smaller number. So this is on the list, and then this is the largest number. So we've got our answer as 0.8, 1.506, and 1.560. This is how we can compare the numbers. We've got some practice questions for you. You can pause the video and match your answers later. Question number 1. Put the following decimals in descending order. So the answer is going to be 1.2, 0.85, 0.42, 0.402, 0.375. Question number 2. Circle a bigger decimal number. So of course, because the decimals are like decimals, straight away we can say that this is the bigger decimal number. Question number 3. Put the following into ascending order. So we need to start from the smallest one. Answer is going to be 0.2789, 2.789, 25.56, 27.89, 125.56. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please log on to justtutors.com.